Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Holden Colorado, stock reference number 5812. This shape ran from the 7th of 2016 to the 12th of 2020. It has an LWN 4-cylinder 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an auto 4-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our LWN 4-cylinder 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine. Our left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, 1 dent. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Our tray. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console. Gear stick, heat AC controls, stereo head unit, touchscreen display, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.